So if you have gas to the cooker installed in your trailer, you'll have at the back of the cooker here a bayonet hose. So we need to gently take that out of there. When you're packing away, just make sure that's nice and smooth and there's no kinks in the hose. Now we need to connect this end to the bayonet fitting at the rear of the trailer. Now at the rear of the trailer we have the bayonet fitting that we need to plug the hose into. So it has a dust cap on it. It's really important to make sure that dust cap is in place while you're traveling. You don't want to get any dust or dirt up into the copper line. So we pop off that cap and then we plug in the bayonet fitting. At the back of the bayonet we have our gas cock, which is our emergency on-off, or will actually stop our gas line or block our gas line. If the orange dial is in line with the gas line, it means we're open. If you rotate around, it means we're closed. So we have, for instruction purposes here, a 4 kilo gas bottle in a 8.5 to 9 kilo holder, but we'll just, for the purpose of showing you how to connect the gas, you connect the other end of the gas plumbing line to the bottle and you open up the gas bottle, and just make sure that the line is connected well and there's no gas hissing out of there. Once we've opened up that, we can now go to the cooker and I'll show you how to bleed the line and turn on the cooktop. So let's turn on the gas. So firstly we turn the knob and I can hear the gas hissing. It might take a moment to run through the line if it's the first time you've ever turned it on in this particular time once you've stopped. So we'll turn that knob. I can hear the gas hissing, and now I click the button in the middle, which is the Piazza starter, and that will start. And it's as easy as that. So whilst travelling or not in use, make sure that you've turned off the gas bottle, so close that gas bottle, and that can stay in the holder with it connected. You don't need to unplug that at all. So not a bad habit to close off your gas line and then take out your bayonet fitting. We need to slide our gas hose back into the back of our cavity here. Just be gentle and make sure that there's quite a distance here where you can slide the hose in, and just make sure that there's no twists and that we have that in there nice and neatly for next time. So now that we've put the bayonet hose away and we've turned off the gas cock and we've turned off the gas bottle on the front of the camper, we can now close up the cooker, and please check out our other video where we show you how.